Today we are going to learn an origami activity. The activity is plow. Everybody knows what is plow. The farmers use plow for the tilling. So we are going to make a plow. So the requirement for the plow is A4 size origami paper or any craft paper. Take a A4 size paper, vertically taking one scale measurement, draw a line. Using the pencil and scale, draw a line. Taking that line as a reference, cut that strip, cut along the line and separate the strip. Now, this strip of paper divide into exactly half. Here we are going to show you with a pencil and scale. You can see the white line. Fold along the white line, that is exactly half. Score properly, neatly, like a thin strip. Again give one more fold. Remember, we are going to fold this strip only twice, half and another half. So you can see you'll get a very thin strip which will be a long pole or the handle of the plow. Here we are going to, it's completely open. You can see you have 4 parts. Now folding one part. Score it properly. Fold the another side in the center. Again score neatly with your fingernail tip. Now fold into exactly half. Crease it properly. Keep it aside. The next part is making the main plow. For this we require square paper. We are going to use the same square paper which we have cut from the A4 size sheet. Diagonally fold into half in the triangle shape. Score on the other side properly. Crease it properly. Open it. Now you can see the crease in the center. Now fold the sides along the center line. You'll get a triangle shape. Do it on the same on the other side. Repeat on the other side. Now fold into half. Open it. Now we are going to fold the other side in the same way. Fold the sides along the center line. Crease it properly. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Now you can see you got a diamond shape. Use the longer side and fold along the center line again. Bring the sides along the center line. Repeat on the other side. Your diamond shape become very thin and narrow now. This is how it looks. Now fold into half and crease the joint properly. It's a long triangle. Open it up. Draw a line just below the corners. Along the 2 corners, draw one dot. Make a dot. Now we are going to make a zigzag fold. A valley fold first. Now the mountain fold along the line. You can see that zigzag fold. First valley fold, then mountain fold. Crease the joints properly. Now fold into half and score the edges. And the bottom half, fold it in upwards, again the same zigzag fold. Now pull the edge towards your right so that it resembles the tip of the plow. Now we're going to do the similar fold on the top of the plow. Before that, now I will show you how to attach this long handle to the main plow. Open the long strip into half, place it exactly in the center, overlap it along with the long strip, fold the plow, bend the long plow in a perpendicular manner, and flatten it by scoring it properly. Now pull the upper portion towards your left and let the plow look slightly bent or curved. Bend the top end on the left hand side, open it up, bend it inside and press it so that it remains in its original position. Now do the slight adjustment and make it look like a plow. So here is your finished origami activity. This is how the plow looks once it is completed. Thank you.